This is John in Los Angeles. It's, what is it? It's April 17th, 2022. I'm up in Long Beach on Signal Hill looking at the replacements for our old teddy bear clouds. This is it, guys. Aren't they realistic looking? No moisture, just ratty ass masses in the sky. How sad. You know, I wish people would notice. Instead of what's on television, they're watching the news and getting all freaked out over that. But yeah, this is not it. This is artificial, in my opinion. Speaking of artificial, look how weird this looks out here along the coast. It's like a white tidal wave. That wind's coming in here. Look at that. I can't tell you what that is, okay? But I can tell you for sure, these do not look like the natural clouds I grew up with. Alright? I know many of you see this and feel the same too. Take care, I'm out. So natural. Oh yes. Oh, speaking of natural, look who I got up above me here. Where'd he go? Look at this. Yeah. See, he's making them. Isn't that nice? Thanks. Thanks so much, evil turd.